Hello, hi, Xposed HFM Bruce. Subscribe, share me the tumpa na wonsa akabi. Kennedy Japan, the next president of the Republic of Ghana. Is me the son of my friend. Wakasa. Okasa on say or no the any or no vision. Wabani ministers or no better ho. Wakadam say, this is my vision, this is my focus. When him say win to me, ya don't even start. You go to Nimra.
Me ministers, me family, me no better now 1 month conscientizing you, letting you know my vision. Say vision no any say ne betumi ama o man Ghana ye. Say to me and agree with my vision. Please step aside. Because say if you're supposed to start work at 8, me can't know. Me ba anya police win. President Kufour bi na media to meeting.
Okay.
Na me ne ba buy fine ti or ye no shop say e wo ring road so. Ti anwumre no hihye fe no bi enti me ne te ho. Ne bu ya say gbara 3 Land Cruisers edro no police nothing. No buy na ye ti ho say din komo. No say onu nu amba na so olman ai. Wamfa police bi ama no obehwe ni ban shop ma police bi anka no sa na mesua free no say me kosra minister bi a me nka nkire no me mo we wo ho a bobura na maduro
Asem no kan no waka ne tra be mu do. Unni nyansa wontimi hu ne oka. I just want nyansa no hu ne oka. Who is a leader and what is vision? A leader is somebody who guides. Leader is somebody who guides. And what is vision? Vision yet idea that many said that to be my it's a leader. A leader has this what we call a vision. Vision na idea be cause sebe baby papa. Na ye hwe Ghana say ne tie ya. And na ye cap the word politician and then Kufour dwane. Because you say politician by him say crown of akwanfo na ebe yi. You say politician by him say awudifo na ebe yi. Yet is a politician by him say for ebe. That is how we've limited our politics to. Now, so honorable Kennedy Japan say it is not all gloomy. There are times as sabe ubenyo bia or ye good leader. A leader onim say I need to take my people from poverty to riches. A leader onim say I need to take my people from slavery to freedom. That's the kind of leader Kennedy is. Lord can say I'm a businessman. I know how to do business. Ghana, yeah, politicians no omo nim ade ye di business yet. In business, yeah, fa Ghana, buy na Ghana, yeah, city, 3 cities, 40 pesos. Now, found 16 cities to dollar. Now, can you say, me mom is a mouth because in business, you don't even know profit making. That is why we are in the state that we are. Because only maybe, fa bibia, you take it to what? A higher height. But Ghana, since 92, will be with the exception of John Atamils and J. Kufour. Bomba Kanyina a down movement and the Ghana echo. Yes, because they don't have any vision. Vision means you are what? Not biased. You are fair to anybody, regardless of his or her political affiliation and tribe. Vision means assembly the high Yanchiani say for personal expediency. And then this man has vision. Na sabi ni etwetwa ma yakwa be ya yehu ne yakwa die se no ye de kode a enye papa bi so okuma ase no beka o se ye de Kennedy ba asantifo no man to aba no ometo yenkotie ne bra
independent for meka che say mode ne bade ye beto aba mode ne bade ye beto because of sincerity no kredie e de prepare mode ne ba ye beto aba and Ghana at this time ye hia businessman to say the monya bi wa Donald Trump. You know, businessman or Tiboja for business as in the other Harvard business school application over Ghana. I don't know, or say I'm despite Tonko Harvard, and or they say I'm despite cassette no tunton, and or they be Peace FM, and or they real estate. The Ghana system, the best son, you Harvard and I year MBA and a STEM business school, and why you did. The side initiative, near Kofani Panaba, and on our bar. To say fundamentals in a week about expose you. Application or the bema in your contradicted. Now cofa saba. It is also cancel the business or no. Boja and a diakwa could do say factories, employment, and a no man. It at this time within the party. and even beyond. On any part, if you say Ghana for a boy. NDC, I foresee said they may have leadership.
Any be any possible say. Ugura honorable Kenda compre Japan. The heart of the grassroots. A one thing. Na grassroots youth. It will never happen. Say in a central region, over 1.1, 1.7 million people say, me ko to aba emfama unminyam for Kennedy anenim e kai krataso. It will never happen.
So be say 2028 na ko hu say Kennedy Japan ti da ballot papers o see anye ne ho.
There's no way say obi bet with him. Even bulldozer a protected ballot papers na binya. Omu nyina akodi NDC because of mafia in Kennedy Japan.
Yes.
The love for it usia Central region usia body for 10 emu 9.5 ebeka chere say 0.5 am this also no dia kan kra wo sheki ebeka chere say chale momfa Kennedy Japan because abodi bia to me ekoni fie minister ben na wo ya ben ma na obi abodi bi to me koni fie say man bibi
and o pa adwuma ye you to pa adwuma ye
obia hwe nwuma ofifa enunti the only person bit man match MP NDC e was Central region ya e honorable Kennedy Japan enya sa o de for presidential material bia o suit a office ono ni nimbo for ka na nsi ye to abawi na honorable Kennedy Japan na voter region ebie nwuma na muram panyi o ti say a onu sika ye ne tamase be de ope o ye ne biase no onnem for the offense say a youth of the nation see o be creating nwuma nti no nam voter region onnem muram e creating
of course o say na ere ho 70 o ma bi adwuma say o ko Dubai ne Ghana for graduate say mo no mo security ni aye anunti onnem muram sa amante no na kwabra no so ene nam Harvard no so sabe oni je kwemu eko lecture emrofo
me kan ya blantie bi say say omudi kan shape the mindset of the people na am say shape the ubia no wa come na utumi esua de
senior.
Let's call a spade. Me yan share baby a MPP ko. Me yan fa MPP nzi baby ye. Because the only person who make restore the hope and the love of MPP wadada. E was Central region, any Western region, Eastern region, Western North, Central region. Aye Canada compare con Japan. Apart from that, obia odin baby no. Love no say my back that mark my waist. I'm telling you. Yeah, grassroots and I'm from Yehu bia usia MPP for 10 emu 8 beka chro say someone for Canada Japan madia mon forget usia NDC 10 emu 4 5 ebeka chro say mode first mo Kennedy ni badia ye kwa beto ama 2020
o fa adwuma
I mean o fa adwuma
because see no unemployment rate akwa kodu
but actually e can semba ko pese why ho no wa o pa adwuma bra ade che nhudom anya basanteli no mpena semu adwuma no mkope bia
ala sine obi
na se basanteli mbo akasemu no mde amrika sana how much more obi awaye bida
na sine musa se ho na mpa adwuma obefa ne pan free esoro so oba be so power and who is o adwuma ya onye adwuma onye
obeye
o se Ghana form pa adwuma Ghana form ko America Ghana form ko Canada o ko hwe adwuma pa ko Ghana kwa onye
Ghana form pa
adwuma no Ghana ni be no ma adwuma
ya one district one factory eba NDC for nyana eyomode say one district one factory ebeba say to me ko yi a na nka constituency bia sa district no nge fence campaign no nge beboa sustain life kakra enem no ka say mrantie bre abrantie kra person wa we say even abanya eba yi NDC yani NDC de enimo mo dada o me ya de foforo bia see etumi aboa ma wana bo Canada Japan aba and get the differences between Canada Japan and from 92 elections are to eba no get 2 years get be clear she unim say budget allocation no so financial allocation na o to every sector actually say there wouldn't be any employment 2025
ya fa bibi apathy it means say I to say bibi aba nipa mu a ade an kwa me nya biem ai sa de no na happen to MPP asantefo ne se wo mo to aba no adenti ya for a good reason kwasiamu aman na ababuo na na ekono na enye so omoto amamu boni na ekono na enye so omoto go na nyansa bia nim but ene MPP will have a chance to relive if omoto su Kennedy e Japan. So I'm to so be they will fail again. I'm telling you. When you spiritual and being physical, I'm telling you. Because only maybe Ghana for baby a yeduno, ye prepare ye pobi a sabi obe bomba kakra, ye pobi obe taking them from this hardship. They be a the entire belt. Now people are losing in their belt. And not their yempe. It is a Kennedy. Ye nim so or no, he's a man of his word. Ye nim so or you'll be your bar, sabi. Obama nyeme mango or you be oba sabi on country we say me politicians me mom we na your mom say political class no they fear to even bring him, but we the citizens we are demanding Kennedy a Japan 2028. Say MPP mo pese mo be fa akunya ne tena biam dia me tumofo mo pa muntie mo pa mamuntie mo kofa obi apart from Kennedy mo ba hwe we de mo ba hwe na ma say ona bo ware we de mo ba hwe poto. Because when the anchor, the Nugasa Manyana Binse, Babu for Kennedy, a one touch, hands down. So the ball is in your court. It's either you go to what Ghanaians want and win, or you go against Ghanaians and lose again. That is it. Papa Sam no can and one no. As I define my ready. On Nabu can a Japan body on metal. Namuko for Biadia. Yamutu. I suppose the HFM Bruce. Subscribe, share the 2 man now. I can be Manuel.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.